One of the most expensive mistakes I ever made started with a profitable opportunity. I'm Christian Long, and since 2004, I've helped executives clear the pressure behind stress, decision fatigue, and leadership friction using pranic healing. Years ago, I got involved with a business partner. At first, it worked. We created over $100,000 in profit in 6 months. But then the noise got louder. Stress, excitement, greed, the desire to move faster and win bigger. And instead of listening to the signal, I overrode it. The signal was saying, slow down. Hire competent people, do your due diligence, choose the solid, moderate path. But I didn't listen, and I did not use what I learned in pranic healing to improve myself or the business. And as my teacher, Master Cho Coach Sui, said, don't be greedy. When you're greedy, the investment is usually bad. Every person I saw who invested from greed without proper due diligence lost a lot of money in this venture. Those who didn't, either they didn't lose any money or they made a handsome profit. In our case, this season led to about $2 million in mistakes, debt, and lost opportunities. It's not my proudest moment. But it taught me something I now share with my clients. When the executive is noisy inside, the business suffers on the outside. Pranic healing helps clear the pressure, fear, greed, and the cravings that distort or even blinds judgment. Because sometimes the problem is not the opportunity, it is the energy you are making the decision from. If you want to see what distorting your leadership signal is, start with the executive diagnostic optimization. Link is in my profile. Reduce the noise, restore the signal.